Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best monitor for Valorant. For monitors, the focus would be on vibrant colors, reduction of input lag, no screen tearing, ghosting, or bleed, all packed up into a reasonable price point. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 monitor for Valorant. Number 1. ASUS TUF VG279QM Monitor for Valorant. ASUS TUF VG279QM 280Hz gaming monitor with an ultra-wide screen. The ASUS VG279QM is no different, offering an elegant black design that enhances gameplay. eLMB sync technology to significantly reduce motion blur. G-Sync compatibility and HDR technology for more vibrant colors. If we were to be nitpicky, the one downside to this monitor is that it only comes at a 1080p resolution. Number 2. Zoe XL2546 Monitor for Valorant. Zoe XL2546 240Hz gaming monitor with 24-inch display. It has 1 millisecond input lag, a super fast 240Hz refresh rate, and features a 1080p resolution panel. So images always appear clearer than on other monitors on the market. Significantly reduced motion blur due to DYAC and the equalizer technology. Overall, Zoe's XL2546 is a great monitor that was built specifically for gamers in mind. Number 3. Alienware AW3420DW Monitor for Valorant. The Alienware 34-inch curved monitor is a monolithic screen with a sleek. This ultra-wide widescreen display allows you to play at a larger screen resolution. Sleek and futuristic design, a great addition to any room. Regardless, for Valorant it has everything you would want in a gaming monitor. The price point is quite high up there, but having a 3/4 screen that runs at 240 Hz is no normal feat. Number 4. Alienware AW2720HF Monitor for Valorant. The 27-inch AW2720HF widescreen HD multi-touch display. The monitor also showcases vibrant and accurate colors due to its AU Optronics AHVA IPS panel. Alienware monitors are known for their precise and vivid imagery. Additionally, the AW2720HF 240Hz monitor supports AMD FreeSync. Overall, the Dell AW2720HF is an incredible 240Hz monitor that can give you a quick response time. Number 5. Zoe XL2411P Monitor for Valorant. Zoe XL2411P 144Hz refresh rate is great for FPS games. Zoe XL2411 is a 2/4 gaming monitor with an impeccable crystal clear 16:9. The Zoe XL2546 also comes equipped with VESA mounting support. What's great about this monitor is that it's easy on the eyes. It also has equalizer technology designed to improve clarity and contrast, so it's easier to spot your enemies.